Welcome to the world's most advanced elephant facility, where massive herds are managed at an incredible industrial. Managing these biological giants requires a specialized infrastructure that blends heavy engineering with deep understanding of behavior. Every animal is monitored around the clock using advanced thermal imaging to ensure health and total safety.
Nutrition is handled on an industrial scale, with automated systems delivering specific dietary requirements to the herd.
Witness the full process of this massive operation, and remember to subscribe for more deep industrial insights.
Scientific analysis of waste provides critical data on the metabolic health of the entire industrial-scale population.
Temperature regulation is vital during peak heat, so massive cooling systems are activated to maintain herd comfort.
Specialized robotics are utilized to provide dermatological care to these massive creatures, without causing any unnecessary stress.
Powering a facility of this magnitude requires immense energy, often supplied by state-of-the-art renewables.
Security is paramount to protect both the animals and the surrounding community from the sheer physical power.
Routine medical checkups involve industrial-sized equipment designed to safely support the multi-ton weight of a healthy adult.
Technology allows for a non-invasive way to track movements and vital signs across the vast facility grounds. The logistics of feeding thousands of elephants daily is a massive undertaking requiring precise inventory and management. Behavioral specialists design enrichment areas to mimic natural social structures and maintain the mental health of individuals.
This industrial-scale facility operates on a zero-waste principle, turning biological byproducts into useful and valuable materials.
The nursery provides a controlled environment for the newest members of the herd to develop safely and
Sustainability is at the core of operations, as millions of gallons are recycled through advanced filtration systems.
Modern management relies on positive reinforcement and acoustic cues to move these massive animals without any force.
Science plays a crucial role in maintaining genetic diversity and ensuring the long-term health of the species.
Even in total darkness, the facility remains vigilant, using night vision and autonomous drones for herd protection. Ensuring the correct balance of vitamins and minerals is a daily task carried out by specialized heavy. These devices are designed to keep the elephants active and engaged by making them work for treats. Diagnostics are performed using the same high-tech equipment found in the world's most advanced human medical centers. The facility is designed to blend into the environment, minimizing its visual and ecological impact on savanna. Seismic technology is used to monitor herd density and movement, providing an extra layer of management data.
Elephants can self-groom using these massive spinning brushes, which help remove parasites and keep their skin healthy.
The facility contributes to the global economy by exporting premium organic fertilizers to farmers around the world.
Constant study of social interactions helps the team manage the herd more effectively and reduce any aggression.
Every drop of water is meticulously treated with essential supplements to ensure the health of the giants.
Voluntary cooperation is the result of years of positive reinforcement training, making medical care safe and efficient. A dedicated rail system ensures that massive quantities of food reach every enclosure at exactly the right. Indoor air quality is strictly managed to prevent respiratory issues during the colder months of the year.
The facility pushes the boundaries of medicine, using 3D printing to create life-changing prosthetics for injured giants.
Natural behaviors like mud bathing are encouraged to protect the elephant's sensitive skin from the harsh sun.
Developing new vaccines is a top priority to protect the massive industrial herd from potential global pandemics.
Every time an animal passes through a portal, and its weight is recorded automatically to track its growth. Creating the perfect meal involves mixing specific grains, legumes, and supplements in massive industrial-scale quantities daily. Padded floors and temperature-controlled sand beds ensure that even these giants get a comfortable night of.
Foot care is essential for massive animals, so specialized tools are used to maintain their orthopedic health.
Rotating herds between different grazing blocks ensures that the land remains productive and prevents any overgrazing issues.
Much of elephant communication is below human hearing, so specialized equipment is used to listen to them.
Remote gate operation allows handlers to manage herd movements safely from a distance without any physical contact.
Cognitive testing provides insights into the intelligence of these giants, helping the team provide better care daily. Relocating massive animals requires custom-built containers equipped with climate control and constant health monitoring systems today. Training the next generation of industrial elephant managers is vital for the future success of this operation. Comprehensive fire safety systems are integrated into every wing to protect the valuable herds and the infrastructure. Laboratory testing provides immediate results, allowing the veterinary team to respond quickly to any potential health concerns. This facility stands as a beacon of modern conservation, showing how large-scale management can save species. Understanding natural defensive behaviors is key to managing a herd of this size at an industrial scale.
This has been an inside look at the incredible world of industrial-scale elephant herd management today.
Regular maintenance of specialized lifting equipment is a critical safety requirement for both the staff and animals.
Formula production for calves is a precise science, requiring specific temperature storage to maintain its nutritional integrity.
Heavy-duty enrichment toys allow bulls to expend their massive energy and maintain their muscle tone safely today.
The facility actively manages migration paths, ensuring that local wildlife can move freely around the industrial scale.
Biosecurity is strictly enforced, with regular environmental testing to prevent any disease outbreaks within the large herds.
Processing thousands of tons of forage annually requires a dedicated plant to ensure the highest feed quality.
Smart gate technology allows the facility to manage family groups while preventing any smaller animals from entering.
Comparing the health of the managed herd with wild populations provides essential data for global conservation efforts.
Hygiene at this scale requires industrial laundry systems. Hygiene at this scale requires industrial laundry systems to sanitize.
Providing advanced care for older elephants ensures they maintain a high quality of life within the facility.
Real-time biometric scanning allows the team to identify even the most subtle changes in an animal's health.
Aerial surveys help the management team monitor land health and ensure that grazing practices remain truly sustainable.
Keeping the massive facility clean is a continuous process that is supported by custom-built industrial cleaning machinery.
Training the trunk from an early age is essential for an elephant's development and long-term overall health.
Constant innovation in feed formulation allows the facility to provide the most efficient nutrition for the giants.
Harvesting rainwater significantly reduces the facility's reliance on local water sources and improves its environmental sustainability profile.
Every single bale of hay is tracked from the field to the elephant, ensuring total supply quality.
Fresh green forage is produced year-round to ensure the herd maintains a balanced and natural diet always.
Precise calibration of all sensors is mandatory to ensure the accuracy of the herd's health monitoring data.
Managing contagious diseases is a major focus for the facility, ensuring the safety of the entire herd.
Rapid response to health crises is made possible by having a fully equipped emergency care wing on site.
Managing large herds at an industrial scale requires vast land resources and a commitment to environmental stewardship. Understanding the complex social lives of elephants helps the team prevent any potential conflict within the herds.
Safe disposal of biological waste is a key component of the facility's strict biosecurity and health protocols.
Soil health is monitored continuously, to ensure that the grazing fields can support the massive herds sustainably.
Using natural chemical signals allows the facility to manage the herd's social structure more effectively and safely.
Redundant power systems ensure that life support and security systems never fail, even during a power outage. Maintaining a secure perimeter is essential for the safety of both the elephants and the local community. Automated water management ensures that every enclosure has a constant and reliable supply of fresh water always.
Maintaining the correct sand depth is vital for the elephant's joint health and overall comfort during sleep.
Managing diverse vegetation ensures that the elephants have access to a natural and healthy range of forage.
Clean air is essential for preventing respiratory diseases in large herds living within a confined industrial space.
Quality control is performed at every stage of the feed process to ensure the highest standards today.
Studying maternal behavior helps the team identify any potential issues early and provide the best possible support.
This high-security facility stands as a testament to the power of human technology in protecting our planets.
Providing the correct intensity of light is essential for maintaining the elephant's natural circadian rhythms and health.
Providing a personalized diet for every animal ensures they receive the specific nutrients required for their health.
The facility generates most of its own power, proving that industrial-scale operations can be environmentally sustainable.
Advanced data analysis allows the management team to understand individual animal needs and optimize their care daily.
Managing thousands of tons of feed ingredients is a complex logistical task, requiring a high-tech tracking system.
Turning biological waste into clean energy is a major part of the facility's circular economy and sustainability. Providing a comfortable and healthy environment for staff is essential for maintaining the high standards of care.
Detailed chemical analysis of feed and water ensures that the herd receives the highest quality of nutrition. Every animal is tracked from the moment it enters the facility, ensuring total management and health history.
This modern facility stands as a beacon of industrial innovation while honoring the ancient traditions of nature. Keeping medical supplies at the correct temperature is a mandatory requirement for maintaining their overall clinical effectiveness. This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never ever seen before. From biology to engineering, and this operation shows how science and industry can protect the world's most majestic. Join us next time as we explore more incredible industrial-scale operations from across the entire globe.